Hi, 6th grade science students. You are taking your heat transfer summative today. So right now you should have your name in the box and what period you have science. Today's date is March 8th, 3-8. This is for your teacher to fill out. So let's take a look at number 1. You have a picture of a piece of toast with butter that's melting. Okay? The question is, why does butter melt on hot bread? Why is the butter melting on the hot bread? Use what you know about conduction. What is conduction? So you're going to fill in the blanks for this sentence. You're either going to say air, heat, or light from the hot bread. Does it transfer or block the heat to the butter? Because the hot bread produces waves, the hot bread heats a gas, or the hot bread touches the butter. So fill in these 3 blanks. Press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, let's look at number 2. Number 2, you have to either circle conductor or insulator. Circle the best answer. So first we have a cookie sheet where you put cookies on in the oven. Is a cookie sheet a conductor or an insulator? You're going to circle it. Then you have a curling iron. So girls or guys use it to curl their hair. Is that a conductor or an insulator of heat? A styrofoam cup. Is that a conductor or an insulator? And a jacket. Is that a conductor or an insulator? Finish this one up. Press pause. Press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, number 3. Number 3, you're going to match. You're going to match the steps of the description to make pasta. So you're going to draw a line to match the step of convection. Now we're thinking about convection. You're going to think which one is step number 1, which one is step number 2, and which one is step number 3. So you're going to draw a line from step 1 to the right description. Is step number 1, the hot liquid or gas heats the whole object? What step is that? The heat source is turned on. Which step is that? The heat source heats the liquid or gas. What step is that? Draw a line. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, let's look at number 4. Number 4, you have a picture of a heater in a room and there's a woman in the room. So you have a heater to get hot and a woman in the room. Explain how a heater, here's the heater, heats a person. Here's your person. Use what you know about convection again. Still convection. You have 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. And you have some words. Heater, person, and air. So you're going to finish the blank. Step number 1, the heater is, what is happening to the heater in step number 1? I'll give you a clue. You are not using these words. Step number 2, the blank heats the blank. Which words are you going to put in those blanks? Step number 3, the blank heats the blank. Which words are you going to put in step number 3? Press pause and press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, number 5 and number 6. Okay, number 5, you have a picture of the earth. And the question says, the earth is heated by radiation. Radiation. What is our main heat source on earth? So what they're saying is, where does our heat on earth come from? Okay, think about space. What is in space? Where does our heat come from? Okay, so number 5, you're just going to write the word. Where does our heat come from? It's one word. Okay, then you're going to use this number 5 answer for number 6. How does this heat source, what did you put for number 5? Heat a person on the earth. So look at this person. She is getting hot right now because of our heat source. Use what you know about radiation. So here's where you're going to fill in your answer. It says radiation from the, what did you write for number 5? Put it right here. Radiation from the blank transfers what? Does it transfer air? Does it transfer water? Or does it transfer heat to a person? By waves, by touching, or by a liquid or gas? So how does the person get hot? Is it by waves? Is it by touching something? Or is it by a liquid or a gas? Radiation heats the person on the back, on all sides, or on the side facing the heat source. You're going to write the words in here. Okay? All right, students. You are finished with your science summative. If you have any questions, please ask your science teacher. Good luck.